I'm teaching you how to move like 5 animals. Gorilla, shark, and leaf. I don't know what this is.
Dog.
No dog. And
And a
frog.
And a frog. And a frog.
What's the fourth one?
Go.
Frog.
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 Froggy. 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 Froggy jump. And a froggy. Froggy jump.
Gorilla. I'm angry. Bleach, we're so slow. We're so slow. No. This is so hard. Oh, so hard. I'll help. That's how I believe a kangaroo.